Once upon a time, 3 rabbis named Moshe, Isaac, and Levi decided to take a trip to the countryside. They stumbled upon a group of 7 Amish men who were in the middle of preparing for a big celebration. Curious, the rabbis asked the Amish men what they were celebrating. The Amish men replied that it was a sausage party and invited the rabbis to join in the festivities. Not wanting to miss out on the fun, the rabbis agreed to attend. As they arrived at the party, they were surprised to see that instead of traditional Amish food, there were tables filled with sausages of every variety. Excitedly, Moshe, Isaac, and Levi joined in the festivities, indulging in the delicious sausages. As the night went on, the party became more and more wild. At one point, the Amish men brought out a giant banana and challenged the rabbis to see who could ride it the longest. The rabbis were hesitant at first, but eventually they joined in the fun. As the night went on, the party became more and more raucous, with everyone laughing and dancing. The rabbis and Amish men became fast friends and promised to visit each other again soon. And so, the rabbis and the Amish men rode the banana into the sunset, ready for whatever adventures lay ahead.